Good morning, class. Today we are going to continue our logarithm. Overall logs. For example, 2 raised to 3 is 8. Can I write the log form?
Yeah.
Yes.
See that children, don't waste time. All of you please learn. See that?
Log 2, 3, log 8. Answer base log 8. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Now, this can also be written as 2 is equal to 8 raised to 1 by 3. So, can I say
This is in line with your exponents.
this can also be written as log 2 to the base 8 is equal to 1 by 3.
Interchange of base. Last time we did not. Nothing like that.
What can 3 be written as? Log 8 to the base 2. So, log 2 to the base 8 is equal to 1 divided by log
Yeah, log
8 to the base 2. You can see the base and the answer have been interchanged. Now cross multiply
What
them.
is that on my face?
So log 2.
You can ask questions.
When you cross multiply, you get log 2 to the base 8 into log 8 to
You
the
can
base
concentrate, look at the
is
board.
equal to 1. So hence we derive the formula log a to the base b into log b to the base a is equal to 1. Okay, not fast. Let's take an example. A raised to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. What's the base here? And the power? So now let's say a is to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a is equal to x. Great. Now write this the entire form in logs. So log x to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Use your product law here. So log x to the base a is equal to log a log base to a n into m. So can I say x is equal to mn? And what is value of x? A log a raised to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a is equal to mn. That's the formula we derived.
So the generic formula is a to the power log y is equal to y. A raised to power log y is equal to y.
Now, yeah, a raised to log n to the base a minus log n to the base a.
What do you think the answer should be? Anyone?
Log a power m minus
M divided by
Good.
log a raised to log n
Nice. All of you are thinking the right way.
log n by a is equal to x. And write in log format. Log answer
And
base is equal to log power, that is power, log n to the base a minus log n to the base a. Use your quotient law here. m divided by n. What's the value of x? X is nothing but log a raised to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a, which is equal to m by m. What do you think the answer is for this? Let's say a raised to log m by x, m is equal to x, and a raised to log m to the base a is equal to y. Can I write this in form of logs as log x to the base a is equal to log m to the base a. Again, this can be written in log format. Log y to the base a is equal to log n to the base a. Remove logs again. So x is equal to n and y is equal to n. What is value of x there? A raised to log m plus y. Value of y is a raised to log n to the base a is equal to m plus n. X plus y is nothing but a raised to log m to the base a plus a raised to log n to the base a, which is n plus n. What if a minus was here instead of plus?
This is minus n.
Then minus. So a raised to log m to the base a minus a raised to log n to the base a is equal to n minus n. What can be this written? First substitute n. A raised to log m raised to n divided by a. This is your power law. Let's say a raised to log m raised to n to the base a is equal to x. Log x to the base a is equal to log m raised to n to the base a. So x is equal to m raised to n. Value of x is a raised to n log m to the base a is equal to m raised to n. Now we are going to find pH level of a solution using logs. First, what is pH level? Anybody? What?
Acidic or pH level of an
pH level is also known as the number of active hydrogen ion in a solution. We have a formula. pH level of any solution is equal to negative log of the hydrogen content. Let's do a problem on this. dictate the problem. Everybody please note it down. When I dictate, a solution has
Pages, I think, even has a doubt.
yes, David.
How do you write PH? Does the P come under and then capital H or like
How do you
a small P with capital
P capital H? Small p capital H. A solution has 4.2 into 10 power negative 5 hydrogen ion dissolved in. The solution has 4.2 into 10 power negative 5 hydrogen ion dissolved in. Find the pH level of the solution. Class attention. H value is already given, that is 4.2 into 10 power to negative 5. pH is equal to negative log 4.2 into 10 power negative 5.
Now use log of m into n is log m plus log n. You can use that here. What is the base, children, here? 10. Base is implied. Understood to be?
Now, when base is not given, you always take that as pH level is equal to 4.38 approx. Answer is 4.2 into 10 power negative 5 to the base. So 10 raised to x is equal to we have to find out. We go through a lot of multiplication division, so I directly given the answer. It's just an application based question, so I'm not going to go deep into it. It's an easy one.
Write down, children.
The pH of a fruit juice is 2.8. The pH of a fruit juice is 2.8.
Sure. College it.
Find the hydronium ion concentration. Hydronium ion H3O. Ion concentration bracket H3O
Why are you talking about college now? Please write down.
of the juice. What is hydrogen content? That is H3O. Let it be white. So, what is formula for pH level? pH is equal to negative log y to the base 10. So pH is 2.8. pH level is 2.8. pH level is we have to find the number of hydrogen ions in it. So pH is 2.8 is equal to negative log y to the base 10. So 10 raised to negative 2.8 is equal to y. So given a direct answer here 0.00158 approx. This is the value of hydronium ion in the solution.